Alright, here's my custom fan tools to remove a fan on a 2002 to 2006 Dodge Freightliner and Mercedes Sprinter. So this is a 1/4 inch ratchet with an 8mm socket with the stub of an Allen wrench in the socket. And this works awesome. So I could just take it off just like that. And took me about 5 to 10 seconds to get it on there. Just barely enough room, as you can see. So, bet you I can even do it one-handed. Bam! Look at that. Alright, so that would be probably the best tool for that. Just an old 1/4 inch drive ratchet with a 1/2 inch extension as the handle. And there's my 8mm Allen stub in a 5/16 socket or an 8mm socket, just like that. And this is my breaker bar, I guess you could call it. It's not very useful having a wobbly for that, but yeah, a straight 1/4 inch drive extension would work better. But this is also really easy to snake it on in there. Just like that. Look, one-handed. Boom. Alright. So that way you don't have to cut up your arms on that frickin' plastic. Alrighty, enjoy. Now another thing you could do is get a really long ratcheting 5/16 or 8mm wrench and use that to turn this this portion of the hex. So you could get the hex on there like that, and then you could have your ratcheting wrench and you could go or you could make this. Works pretty well. Enjoy.